DCImanager is a platform for managing multi-vendor IT infrastructure in a single interface. In this video, we will explain how to install the platform. DCImanager 6 software is installable to physical or virtual platform server based on KVM, Hyper-V, or VMware ESXi virtualization, to physical or virtual location server based on KVM virtualization. The server must comply with minimum system requirements. For installation of the platform, you need to use OS without third-party repositories or additional services installed. Prior to installation, make sure that hosts and resolve.conf files have server records in the following format. If 127.00.53 systemd resolved local service IP address is specified as DNS server, make sure that the addresses of DNS servers are specified in resolved.conf file. Connect to the server via SSH with the root access. Download installer. Make installer file executable. Launch installation. Wait until installation is complete. If the installation is successful, a link to DCImanager will be displayed in the terminal. When you click the link, the browser will display a potential security threat notification. This is the case when the server uses a self-signed SSL certificate. You will be able to attach valid SSL certificate in the platform settings later to make sure that the notification doesn't pop up again. Create the first user. Enter email address. Create a password or press Generate for password automatic generation. Press Done. This user will automatically be granted the role of the system primary administrator. Specify the location name. Specify the location server IP address, its SSH port, and root password for access. Server with DCImanager 6 can be selected for the location. Specify the name or number of the first rack. DCImanager 6 will automatically assign the numbers to all the racks that were added. Specify the number of racks and their height in units. Click the Add button. Click the gear icon in the menu on the right to go to the Settings, System Overview. Activate the license. Enter your license token value in License Key field. You will find it in your Profile in Licenses section at eu.ispsystem.com. Press Activate. The platform has been activated. It will be available by your server domain name or IP address. Configure basic settings to start working with DCImanager. Find the links in the description to this video.